Good morning. Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today is Happy Father's Day, everybody. Yes, look at that, everybody. Doesn't that look delicious? Oh, it simply smells delicious, grandmother. So what is this one? Well, this is our triple chocolate fudge chocolate cake, everybody. I went on and made this for my grandson-in-law because chocolate is his favorite. And you know, he likes to put icing on his cake and everything, but we don't do that here. Okay, he can put it on his if he wants to. He has a special icing like lemon, supreme, what's that ice cream? And he likes what's that cream cheese frosting? Yeah. But this is how we like it here. Some of us here at the house, we don't like all that icing and all them extra calories. It's just so delicious. The cake is so moist that we don't even need any icing. You know, I just like whipped cream with mine. Yeah, me too. I just like something simple, you know, maybe a little bit of a nice little chocolate Twix or Snickers on the side or something like that. But anyway, this is how we do it. This is how we do it. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Grandmother. I'm just feeling good. So anyway, I just want to say, go to our YouTube channel. We have a lot of cakes on there, okay? If you go to Mama Soul Kitchen, put in cakes, I'm pretty sure that they will pop up. We have so many, like lemon supreme cake. We have the cinnamon, spicy cinnamon cake, the sakatumi cake, all that. You name it, it's on our YouTube channel. Go over there and check it out. And don't forget to subscribe because you guys don't want to be missing these recipes. You guys have a wonderful day. And also, Happy Father's Day. Bye, you guys. Bye. Let's go and cut this thing open. No, we got to wait for him. Oh, yes, we do. It is Father's Day. Bye, you guys. Bye. Bye.